Hello and welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. I'm now inside of an old pet. I'm going to turn it on and see that it comes up okay. And indeed, it does come up okay. So, now I'm going to take and plug this Datasette in. Some people would say don't do this. But you know what, with no buttons pushed down, it should be okay. I will plug it in, and then I will press Shift, run stop. I will press play on tape 1 as instructed, and I will watch for things to happen. It should very soon find Commodore. It has found Commodore. It is loading Commodore. And in a moment, it will run. Now I will press the stop, which you can hear. I will, with great care, unplug this. I will press eject, and I will get the tape out of the Datasette. Because here, which you can't see, but just imagine, I have another Datasette that is, well, as my grandmother would say, it's in need of a good face wash. And I don't see anything in there bad, so I'll plug it in here. The pet is still doing its thing. I will press the play button. It spins. I'll press stop. I will press the rebound. It spins. I will press fast forward. It spins. So now I will press eject. I will put the same tape in. I will rewind it. I will reset the I set the counter, and now I will once again press shift, run stop, and I will press play on tape number 1. Yes, indeed. And now, see if this finds it or not. Is it going to? Okay. Well, it kind of found it. It found. Okay, load error. Let's rewind. Stop. You know what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to press fast forward. I'm going to give the tape a chance to run across there. Not surprising. It didn't find Commodore, it found Commodore. No E. So there, I have rewound a little bit. Let's see, there's the home key. I'm doing this all kind of with the machine up, and it's hard to see. I'm going to press play again on tape 1. And I would not be at all surprised to find the same thing. So, in other words, if it does come up and find something, rewind that. I think I do. Yeah, rewind that. It is searching. And it has not found anything. But I think it should have by now. Let's see now. You know what? Just for fun, because I can, I'm going to rewind this all the way. The counter is reset. I'm going to reach behind, turn this pad off, count to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to take, there's a bit of stress on this cable. there's also, it's off now. Also, this piece at the front looks like it's had some wonkiness about it. Anyway, I will wiggle it on. I will turn the pet back on. And the pet will come up. And I will press shift and stop. And I will press play. And I will press play. There, it is in. Sometimes load errors and things can cause things to do strange things. Sometimes it is searching. But so far, it is not finding. But we'll see if it does. We will see. I do hope that it's not hurt the tape. I don't think it could. I've only pressed play. But it could mean that the head needs cleaning. It could. But it's a good sign that it does things, but it is not loading. It just says searching. The counter's now to 23. I'm not sure how far it should go, but certainly it should have found something by now. So we're going to rewind, and we're going to press stop, and we're going to pop the tape and set this data set aside. And we're going to take the other one that we had used before. Nothing is pushed down. We'll plug it in. We'll take the same tape. We'll put it in. Set the counter. It is rewound. We'll press shift run stop. We'll press play. And see if anything comes up. Searching. Now there's found Commodore. The full word Commodore. So the other thing, and I got to look into this, there is a thing. There it is, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore. There is a thing I've heard about. I've not done it, but I've always heard about sometimes tape heads need to be demagnetized or something of that nature. And there are ways to do this. I'm just popping this open to just have a look at the head. And it's really hard to tell. I'm just going to take my extra strong light here. And it's hard to tell because, well, it's hard to tell. I mean, a lot of stuff you can't see anyway. So I'm afraid this data set needs more testing. So I will mark it thusly. More testing. More. But this one here seems to be quite fine. I'll show you. Take this out. I think I can do this. I can. Is that backed out all the way? Maybe. Alright, so pull the leg. Hello. Pull the leg carefully. Put it back in position. Bring the case down, down, down. Oh dear. Down, down, down. Oh dear, things are happening. Oh dear. Things are happening. So there, to show you that the program did load and is running. There it is. You may, if you've been watching, you may have seen this program from time to time. Let's see what happens when we move in really close. We're on a bit of an angle here. There we are. World of Commodore. And when is the World of Commodore 2024? Well, it's probably the first weekend in December. It's probably at the Admiral Inn. But stay tuned. Watch the TPUG Facebook page. I think they also do Discord. What else do they do? They do a bunch of things. There's, Facebook, Discord. There's all kinds of, anyway, I think there's also a TPUG website. So stay tuned there, and we'll see what's up with the World of Commodore. So this data set, if all is as it seems, it should go upstairs under the table in the box room where things to be tested would go. But I should put a note on it. I should. So I guess I will. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures. And indeed, I'm thinking perhaps I will try and get down and get into position here, the oldest pet that I know of that I know. We'll see about that. Anyway, thanks again. Bye for now.